Hi everyone, namaste. So today guys, I'm going to meet again my Filipina friend here in Nepal. She invited me to attend their son birthday. So I'm walking guys. I'm walking and I met some kids and they told me, "Hi auntie vlogger." So naglalakad-lakad ako guys. So I'm walking guys, going to catch a tuk-tuk. So nakarating na ako dito sa highway. Ayan. So papunta ako doon sa terminal ng tuk-tuk. Yung tuk-tuk guys is tawag nila dito tuk-tuk. But sa Philippines, sa atin guys, is tricycle. So ayan, sa highway na ako. So ayan, malapit na ako guys sa terminal ng tuk-tuk. So may signboard yan. May signboard dito na nung unang punta ko dito, hindi ko pa alam. So, hinanap ko